4 free second passport anyone can get. In this video, we'll basically be talking about second passports anyone can get. People recently been contacting me from US, from Canada, and Europe. Is actually very interested in getting a second passport. Some others actually are returning clients. People have actually helped to get a second passport, and other people have actually helped to basically move to the US with a green card, get citizenship, and now they are basically looking into a second passport. It's just crazy. And at the same time, I've been receiving a lot of emails from a lot of people in Africa, a lot of people in Central, South America, in the Middle East and East Asia. People are really interested to move to Canada and US. Well, it's just crazy because a lot of Canadians, as we speak, are actually fleeing away from Canada for various reasons. Could be reason for taxation, could be reasons for life, how life is really just so crazy in Canada. It's so expensive. This is how you get your citizenship for free. It's a citizenship by descent. Citizenship by descent, basically you're a descendant of, or your parent is a citizen for a certain country, or great parent is a citizen for a certain country, or great parent is a citizen for a certain country. Most of these citizenship are basically from Europe. They're also from some other South America, some others in the Caribbean. So this is where you see this program, citizenship by descendants, really, really popular. But when you come to Africa and the Middle East, it's almost non-existent. Yes, it's almost not there. So in America, you can actually also have this program. Basically, it's a program by citizenship by parents. So you basically can claim your citizenship from your father. If your father is an American, even if you are over 21 and your father is an American and you have proof of that, you can go ahead and claim that. Your father or your mother basically is a citizenship based on parents. So by descent, as it's called. There's another citizenship by naturalization. This is a citizenship you really get also. It's almost for free, but there's some fees you're going to pay. In most countries, like Caribbean countries, you're going to be required to live there for 6 to 9 months. In the US, naturalization requires 3 to 5 years. So this is how you really get your citizenship by naturalization almost for free, or you get it by descent. It's also almost for free. Now, when you get it by descent, you really do not have to live in the country. Citizenship by descent. There's no requirement for you to be present in the country. However, citizenship by naturalization, the requirement is that you have to be present in the country. If you can qualify, you basically can get this citizenship either by descendant or naturalization almost for free. However, if you do not qualify to get it by descendants or by naturalization, there's other 4 options basically that I'm gonna give you in this video that you can basically get your citizenship. Turkey has this citizenship by investment program, and I think it's really a good opportunity for those who are looking into a second passport. And the reason this is really, really good, because the money you invest, you basically get it back. Their requirement in Turkey is that you have to buy a property. You buy a property in Turkey, and once you get this property, immediately as you buy a property, within few months, they give you a citizenship. They give you a Turkish passport. And the Turkish passport is really a good passport. It allows you to travel almost, in Europe and other countries, many countries visa free. And unfortunately, US, Canada, you're going to need a visa, but a lot of countries you can travel visa free. So you basically buy a property and they give you their passport, and in return, you basically sell your property and you have your money back and you keep the passport. This is their requirement, and a lot of people done it. I've done it actually for few people, and it works really, really good for them. So you buy a property, you get a passport within few months, and then you sell these properties and you get your money back. So you have you got your money back and you have a passport. We also have Egypt. Egypt also have a citizenship by investment. This is where the Egyptian government basically requires that you actually get 300,000 US dollar property. You buy a property, they give you a passport within months. It's not like you're going to be stuck forever. Within months, you get a passport, and in return, you sell your property and you get your money back and you keep the passport. The only downside of the Egyptian passport is really not strong. That's the downside. Jordan also has a citizenship by investment, and the Jordanian citizenship by investment is actually a little bit crazy because you have to either buy a government bond. You buy a bond of 1 million US dollar. They give you their passport within months. They give you a passport, and the requirement is within 3 to 5 years you can basically go back and get your bond. You request your bond back, and you get all your money back. So the money you gave, you get it back. So it's completely different to other citizenship, like the citizenship in the Caribbean, where you do a citizenship by investment, where you have to donate money to a certain government, and in turn the government give you a passport. But here you give money and you get your money back. Saint Lucia also have a citizenship by investment program. They actually have two programs. One, the first program is where you donate the money to the government and they give you a passport. And also you can also buy a bond. I think the bond option is really good because you basically buy a bond and they give you a passport, and in return you can basically get your bond back and you basically get your money back and keep the passport. I'm an immigration attorney and a human rights lawyer. If you have any question with immigration, you are looking into moving to the US, relocating to the US legally, I can help you. Looking into filing your paperwork, I can help you. If you are looking into buying or getting a second citizenship or second passport in other country other than the US, I can definitely help you. I've helped so many people. So feel free to contact me. Follow, like, subscribe. Till next time.